Are you able to still maintain relatively low prices for consumers, or is some of that food inflation having to be passed on to consumers?
Yeah, well, we're still known. If you look at the brand attributes within the brand, value is definitely one of our strongest attributes, and we definitely do not want to lose that. Having said that, we worked really hard to offset, as you can imagine, when you upgrade the quality of most of your items. We tried to offset as much of that as humanly possible with other changes, be it, alterations to packaging, et cetera. And we had done a good job of that. Obviously, then coming out of COVID, and we've been working on this brand transformation for the last 12 to 16 months. COVID and the inflationary pressures that came along there, that's really different from what we were trying to offset. So we feel that no different than everybody else does. I think the real question, as your previous guest was talking about, is, how permanent are these inflationary hikes? How sustainable and how high are they? Obviously, if they persist and if they continue at a, relatively high level, ultimately some or a large part of that will have to get passed on to consumers. But I think it's really too early to tell that yet.